bar?
I'm Mark Sieron, president of Middleby Marshall, and today I'd like to tell you about our latest innovation, the WOW oven.
Wow.
And the WOW features are a couple things. One, it cooks faster than any other oven. Two, it saves energy. And I'm going to cook a pizza here in 5 minutes that
Pizza?
normally it would take 9 minutes. So if you walk over here, you can see the energy bar says energy mode #1. So the oven's asleep right now. It's going to wake up in 3 seconds after I put this pie on the deck. So you can hear the oven just woke up. You can hear the blowers sounding. You can see the energy bar start to climb. And the pie will pass through the oven and be perfectly cooked in 5 minutes. So a little bit about Middleby Marshall. We're the world leader in conveyor ovens. We invented the conveyor oven 27 years ago and have been the industry standard for the last 27 years. One of the problems with our oven is it tends to last forever. It's built like a battleship, so one of our marketing challenges, it's good on the one hand that it lasts forever, but it's also bad that you sell a customer one oven for the whole life of their pizzeria. So we had to come up with a technology that made the customer say, wow, I'm going to trade in my old oven because this oven is so efficient. So basically the difference is an improved air delivery system that allows the pizza to cook 30% faster than in our older ovens, #1, and #2, the energy saving feature. And if you,
green, huh?
It's a green oven. So if you think about the pizza business, right now it's 3:15 here in Chicago. We've got 130,000 Middleby Marshall ovens around the world that are turned on waiting for you to call and order a pizza. 2/3 of the time there's never anything in the oven. So the key is to put the oven asleep when there's no pizza in the oven and have it automatically wake up. So we got the idea from the garage door opener that you have in your home. So you can see there's a red laser beam that senses if there's anything in the oven, it wakes the oven up. The belt speed on this pizza is 5 minutes. At the end of 6 minutes, if I don't put another pizza into the oven automatically goes into a sleep mode, and we'll stay in that sleep mode until you put a pie in front of the oven.
It actually cools down.
It actually cools the jets down and saves 35 to 40% on your energy bill.
Wow.
Now, how do you get that and have an oven that's cool to the touch? You can touch the oven. Our old ovens were 250 degrees on the front. This oven is set at 445 degrees. And at no point on the exterior of the oven is it above 120 degrees.
It's amazing.
So we've sold in the last year and a half 4,000 of these ovens to the largest pizza chains in the world. But the biggest award we got was from the United States Gas Utilities Association, and for 2009, the WOW oven, out of every appliance in the food service industry, this won the Innovation and Product of the Year for energy conservation. Many of the United States utilities are now offering the customer an end user rebate up to $1,000 an oven to put this new green oven into their pizzerias. So those are the main features of the WOW oven. The pizza is almost coming out of the oven. Another feature we have, you can actually see the amount of energy on what we call the energy bar being consumed in the oven. This oven is 99,000 BTUs per hour. Our previous ovens were about 150,000 BTUs an hour. So you can see it's using about 30% or about 30,000 BTUs an hour versus 90,000 of our old ovens and our competitors' ovens. So the energy saving feature is phenomenal. The WOW oven is now the standard for basically all major pizza chains, from Pizza Hut to Papa John's to Domino's to Little Caesars, plus all the mom and pop independent operators around the country now are clamoring for not only an oven that cooks faster, but really the energy aspect of the oven. So this oven is basically painted green because of the award from the utility company. But the amazing thing is the green paint, the oven is so cool that the paint doesn't even peel off. The external temperatures are so low. So here you see the pizza coming out.
Pizza.
Normally baked in 9 minutes. We're baking it at 445 degrees in 5 minutes. So you can see it's golden brown, uniform color. This happens to be a Canadian pizza chain that supplied us the product, because we wanted something a little different at the show this year. So the ovens are available in 4 different sizes. This is our medium size oven. We also have a smaller countertop and a larger oven that's about twice this size. So depending on the number of pizzas that you're supplying per hour would depend on what size oven you're purchasing.
Is the smaller oven a consumer oven, or is it a restaurant?
No, it's a restaurant, commercial
oven.
only. So you can see the sausage
That's
looks
beautiful.
a little different. You can see the evenness of color, front to back, side to side, golden brown, delicious. So whatever your current cook time is on your whatever oven you're using, this will typically cook 30% faster. It's so cool that you can put a plasma TV on top of it.
Literally, yes.
And here you can see some of the operators that are using the WOW oven now. It's quite a list. And the final thing on the product is we're so confident in the quality that we've extended a 2-year parts and labor warranty on the oven. Our longest warranty that we've ever had, and it's anywhere in the world. We're placing ovens in over 100 countries around the world. And now you can see that it automatically went into the sleep mode. So this oven's asleep, waiting for the next pizza to come in and saving the customer energy.